Hi Macy, hi Bowen.
Hi. Hi.
I have 2 blocks. I want you guys to feel both of them. So each one of you kind of hold one. Okay, now trade. Okay.
Okay. I think it's gonna float because it's lighter.
Okay,
I
and then
think this one's gonna sink.
And
you
the
think
metal
the
is more
metal's
dense.
gonna sink? Okay. All right, so go ahead and put them both in the thing.
Can I put the metal one in?
Oh, no!
Can Sissy put the metal one in?
Yep.
Okay, good taking turns. Okay, so why did the wooden one float, Macy?
Because it is lighter and it's not made
Okay,
of metal.
trade me the metal.
Oh.
Now, which one's gonna float? Don't do it yet. Which one do you think will float now, Bo?
This one.
Why?
Because it's vital.
Okay, Mace, you wanna hold them? Let Sissy hold them. Which one floats?
They might both float. I think this one might sink, but they might both float because they're pretty light.
Okay, because they're both pretty light. All right, go ahead, pop them in.
Put them on top.
That one sinks.
I'll tell you, the metal one is actually lighter than the wooden one. The metal one's like 2.7 grams, and the wood one is like 11 grams. So if it's lighter, why did it sink?
Maybe it's not vital.
It's not lighter? It's not lighter than what?
The wood.
Oh, maybe it's not lighter than the wood, right? So maybe what we have to do is understand a little bit better what lighter and heavier actually mean. Little.
Ooh. Okay, so we have a small wooden one and a small metal one or aluminum.
Which one's gonna float? Which one's gonna sink?
Because it has light.
This one weighs about 2.5 grams, and this one weighs about 0.5 gram, and they're the same size, right? So this one's heavier for its size.
Yeah.
So then, because these are the same materials,
How about we
every
keep-
time that this one gets bigger, it gets heavier by the same amount.
Wow.
And as this one gets bigger, it gets heavier by the same amount. It's like a proportional thing, right?
Mm.
So every time you add another cubic centimeter, which is what this is, it doubles the size, the volume, and it doubles the mass. And same thing here. And so they're going to behave the same in the water because this one is the same amount of mass in a space as that one is. And this one's the same amount of mass per space.
Mom.
That's what density is.
That makes sense.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
Maybe we should put wood, this wood and this wood and that middle and that middle
Put them where?
in here.
All right, go ahead. What do you think's going to happen? So based on what we just learned, what's going to happen?
Float.
Okay, and what's going to happen to both metals?
They're gonna sink.
Yeah, go ahead. Pop 'em in.